All right, everyone. That last video was probably the most popular video I've ever done, which is strange, but it is what it is. So today we're going to sand. And I don't know about you guys, but I haven't read instructions my whole life. And I've always been told that people that read are smarter. And so I thought I'd turn a new leaf. And turns out you can learn quite a bit by reading. So even simple things like that I've done hundreds of times, like mudding. This is ridiculous. And if you knew, I'm pissed off that you didn't tell me. Step number 3, sanding, which is typical, right? After compound dries, sand with a wet sponge. No more dust, no more dust masks, no more mess with a sponge. Seems to be working. It's not what I'm used to. It's a heck of a lot cleaner. Now you're probably saying, well, all the professionals use sandpaper. You're not a professional, and neither am I. Done. What else have I missed? What else do I got to read? I never did read that of Mice and Men.